Hey guys, welcome to Jack Rabbit Offroad. By now you might have seen that we're doing a little preparation for Mud Nationals 2020. And how better to do that with a 20th anniversary edition Ranger. Probably seen that we're featuring an all HighLifter build with a new Thumper fab audio roof on it with all Rockford Fosgate audio. This thing is thumping. Check it out. Sitting on 44 Magnums, Outlaw 3s. Man, this thing just came out massive. But if you're thinking this is the only thing we were getting ready for Mud Nats, think again. That's right. We got them in all flavors and all sizes. Have another 44 Magnum build here. Razor, big bumper. Worn 10,000 pound winch. That'll get you out of the deep mud hole. Check it out. This thing's rocking KC lights on it. Rockford Fosgate audio. Ride command. Man. American Force wheels on this one. Oh, check this out. 10K winch in the back. Woo. Man, that one's ready for some serious work. Check it out. The new Razor Pro XP. Get some HighLifter love as well. Rolling on 38s. The new HighLifter high clearance control arms. Man, these things are beefy. Look at this. Check them out. On HighLifter portals. Man, that came out good. Man, if you got friends, some family, check out the family hauler. It's not just a little family hauler. This guy's still rolling on 38 Outlaw 3s. And got the 2020 HighLifter Razor in lime squeeze. It's bright. I'll be seen. That's how you get it. Of course, we had to get some tunes on this one. Some RGB backlit speakers there. Check it out, guys. We're getting the morning going here at Jack Rabbit Offroad in Marshall, Texas. Come see us. Come have some fun with us. Ah!